Hello. So we are at Forsyth Park today. It's a really cool park for kids. My toddler loves it. It's so cute here. I just love this place. Musa is having fun. Hi, baby. Playing?
Yes.
Nice.
Very fast.
Hello, cutie pie. What's up? Guess who is awake finally? Hello. Hi, baby. Guess what? We just found out they have a tiny zoo. So we're gonna go and explore it. That's so cool.
The one with the blue neck is a male. It's a young male.
Mikhail. Mikhail. Hi, baby.
The one with the blue neck is a male. The one with the greenish neck is a female. Oh, yeah.
Musa. Musa, look at mommy. I guess he's really busy exploring. It's a peacock.
Peacock big.
Yeah, they're big.
I feel like
Oh my god, this white one is so beautiful. Are you scared, Musa? Don't be scared, honey.
Hi.
Hi.
Whoa. Oh, watch it.
It's a tiny picnic place. Oh, they're playing. Hello.
Hello.
Let's go. Keep walking, honey. Turtles. I think it's outside. Let's go check. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Look, it's outside. Yeah, it's big. Right? Musa, do you like it? Morning. Oh, look, so many flowers. Butterflies too. This area is so cute. Musa, you want me to take a picture? Butterfly? You see a butterfly?
We can't find Mommy.
Let's go find them. Rabbits. Two rabbits.
Hi.
Hi, rabbit. Musa, you had fun, baby?
Yeah, Mama.
Yes? Where do you want to go now?
Go
Go in the car? Go get juice or ice cream?
juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, Mommy.
Can you look at mommy? Hi, sweetie. Pigs. Two pigs. This is our last stop. We're going home now. Let's go. Just got him shaved ice before we go home. Here you go, honey. Let's go home now.